How to change Facebook page username on PC? For that, you have to open the Facebook page on your PC or computer. Just search facebook.com and you will get access to your Facebook official site. Sign into your Facebook account and then switch to your Facebook page. Then click on the left corners the profile of your page. Then go to the settings. On the search icon, you need to click on it and search for the name. You have to select the first name option. Once you click on it, you have to wait for a while until it's open. So once this section opens, you have to click on the view or icon which is next to the name. And here, as you can see that we have already set a username. You can simply click on the edit icon which is next to the username. And you can delete the previous one and you can enter the username of new name or the new username. You have to select the username which is available. Now click on Save Changes button. You have to enter the password for your security regions. And now click on Submit. So that's how we can easily change Facebook page username on PC. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.